This stuff is negative 60 degrees, as you might have heard in my other video when I did this. But we're going to see if we can cool down a bottle of ginger ale. And, yeah, I just got it like half an hour ago. And it's been sitting in a hot truck, so we're going to see if we can cool it down really fast. It's not working. That crap uses your skin. Hopefully we don't blow this thing up. Wow, last time I got a blister, it was so cold. It was literally ice forming on this thing. That all is ice. That white knob, that used to be brass. Okay, I'm gonna extend this outward so I don't freaking kill myself. Wow, that is cold. That's so cold. It's negative 60. I'm literally freezing my skin. Holy crap. Pardon my French, but I literally froze my skin. No worries. We'll just get the heat gun. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's gonna blister up, but, you know, no big deal. As for cooling this down, I didn't know what I was thinking. Jeez, man. Let's just do some more, shall we? As you can see, we got the tank of propane on my back. Oh wow, that was cold on my wrist. Let's try this leaf. Oh gosh, that hurts. Let's try this leaf. We're gonna just freeze it. Wow. Do you hear that? The leaf is literally frozen. Like ice. Wow, I'm gonna get a green leaf. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is green leaf here. Alright, you can bend it and it doesn't break like an old dead leaf would. So we're gonna see what happens when you spray a green leaf with liquid propane. Holy. Oh wow. Look at this, listen to this. Oh my gosh, it's liquid nitrogen. Almost ice, and it cracks like a dead leaf. That's amazing. Let's just we'll put this back in the fridge. As for cooling it, I don't know. I'm gonna get a blister in the morning, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. You just pop it, put a band-aid over it, in a couple of days, you're just fine. It's nothing like any other injuries I've ever had. We're gonna freeze a bit of water. First, we gotta get some. Yeah, this will do. Not much. Just a little bit. Alright, so now, let's see what happens. The water is very cold. I'll give it that, but it didn't freeze. Okay. Now this is my propane that I bought, so I can spray it like this if I wanted to. Oh wow, dang it. Froze my finger. The liquid just drains. It just runs down your hand and then you're frozen. Now something like this here probably would freeze. Oh, it froze. Look at that. This is Florida. There's literal ice. It's friggin' ice. It's ice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try this little bit of water. Alright, ready? 1 second. Come on, spray, dang it. Oh gosh. Look at this. 1 second. Alright, I took the thing off and look at this. Ice, it's snow. Oh, it's sticky. Oh frick. Alright, that white snow is sticky. Now this stuff probably is, well, I just got stuck to it. Oh crap. Stuck. Well, I'm stuck. Let's go unstuck. Alright, don't put your tongue on this or anything else. It doesn't have to be your tongue. Hot water should do the trick. Oh jeez. Probably just gave my finger frostbite, but you know, we don't have a blister there, who cares? Yeah, don't touch something that's negative 60 degrees. That's metal. This part of it's plastic here. Now this is plastic. This stuff, this white snow stuff on the duct tape is just sticky. It won't stick, it's just very sticky. So yeah, what have we learned? If you want to be an ice lord, just make one of these. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get a lot of blisters in the morning, but 1 like equals 1 less blister. 1 subscriber equals absolutely no pain for the rest of my life. Oh my gosh, actually 1.7 million would be better. Yeah, like and subscribe, and if you want to see other stupid stuff with this thing, let me know, because I got nothing better to do. Bye.